Here at Ward High Tech in Sheffield, they've got a machine for every application. You don't believe me? Let's go have a look. They've got entry-level lathes like this one from HWACHEON. It's 260 millimeters on the diameter and about just under 300 millimeters between centers. It looks small, but it absolutely packs a punch. These have all got box guideways and they are rigid machines. But it's not just lathes Ward High Tech have in stock. There's loads of Dali 5-axis machines like the one behind me. Now, don't think you've got to have a 5-axis part for this like the one here. You might just be doing like 3-axis square parts that you want to put 8 on a side or stick them on like a multi-sided piece of work holding. So maybe one of these 5-axis machines will be for you. Also, the bigger lathes they've got here, not the entry-level ones, these are big fat lathes with 2 meters between centers. Right now they're doing prime turning on this, so if you want to be doing something like prime turn or even trochoidal milling with the MTS type driven tooling, all of these lathes come with a tooling package of 12 tools and 24 index positions, so get your lathe today. I mean, look at the size of this lathe. They do massive lathes too. Big HNK vertical borers, so if you've got big parts that you can't quite fit, even on that 2 meter between centers, there is definitely a machine here for you at Ward High Tech.